Hello students, good morning everybody. Today's video you will learn some more problem on the construction of quadrilaterals. See, just go to exercise number 17a, number 9. See, construction a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is given 3.5, BC is given 5 semi, CD is given 4.6, angle A is given 125 degree, angle C is given 60 degree. Now, what I told you in my last video also, try to just draw the rough sketch. See, taking this side AB and at point B just draw 125 degree because 125 is given angle B. Take BC from here, cut BC from here, then you will get this is 5 semi. After that at point C you just draw 60 degree. Then it will just make one line over here CD. From CD or CE you just take CD, the measure is 4.6, cut this here and draw or join AD. Your required quadrilateral ABCD will form. Now our procedure, how to do this. See, I have already just taken the sides, measurement of the sides, that is AB is 3.5, BC is 5 semi and CD is 4.6 semi, and with the help of the protractor I measured 125, I just draw an angle. 60 degree we can draw with the help of compass directly. Now just to draw this one, take any line over here, that is I told you that is take one line AP, one line AP. From AP cut AB, that is 3.5 semi. Here just take AB, thus making this point B. Now at point B draw this 125. How to draw this one? The angle equal angle. Just take any arc over here. Just take any arc over here. You can wipe it out. Take any arc over here. You will get one suitable arc over here. Just take the same arc here also at the point B and take this measure like this. This is the arc length between this arc angle and cut it from here. So this is actually 125 degree. You will get this line. Now from this BE you just cut BC, that is 5 semi, BC. This is the point C. From C you just at the point C draw 60 degree. Now just take, centering this one, take a suitable arc over here, draw one arc and with the same length, the same arc it is cutted over here, this is making 60 degree, and draw this angle, that is 60. Okay. Now suppose CF is the length. Now from CF just cut CD at length of 4.6 semi. Cut CD from this CF and this, put this point over here, intersecting point, that is D. Now join AD, then your required ABCD quadrilateral is drawn. Another type of problem is also interesting. See, here number 11. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is given 5.6 semi. This I have just taken only this already, this one 5.6 semi. BC is given, this is BC is given 4 semi, and angle A 50 degree, B equal to 105 degree, D equal to 80 degree. We have to draw the quadrilateral ABCD. See, your rough sketch it will be. See, it is given AB. Just take AB with this 5.6 length. Now at the point B and A, draw angle A is 50 degree and B is 105 degree. This is 105 degree. And at point C, D is given 80 degree, but you don't have any other length over here at point D. Then what to do? You have to just find out, this is BC is given, so we can cut it at the point C, we can get it. But this C point, at the C point, you need to find out the angle of C. So you know that is these three angles, 105, 50 and 80 is the angle D, but you do not know where the D point is. So you need to find out the angle C. At the point C, draw this is actually, this is 125 degree. That is 360 minus these three angles, it will be 125 degree. With the help of your protractor, just measuring this 125, just draw this angle over here. These two sides AD and CD, it is intersect at point D, and this is actually your required ABCD quadrilateral, which is drawn over here. This is a rough sketch. Now you need to find out you have to draw the actual construction of this. With the help of construction ABCD you have to draw. Now see, take any line over here. Once again, take any line. Suppose AM, you have just taken one line. From AM, get AB from here. This is 5.6 semi. This is A and B. Now at point, this is 50 degree, 105 degree and 125 degree. Measure this one 50 degree first. You need to understand how to draw this 50 degree. Just with the help of protractor only you can measure this one. See here, get this point over here on the line and you will get here 0 to 50. This is 50 is the point. Then you can draw this 50 degree here. Okay, this is 50 degree. Next is 105 degree. 105, once again just coincide this one, this point and also this line. So it will just giving you 105 means 100, this is 105. Just put it over here and just get this angle, okay, this angle up to this is 105 degree. This is 105 degree and this is 50 degree. Next is angle 125 degree. Once again coincide this point, this and also with the line, this one, and this is 125 means 20 and 25, this is the angle, and get this angle drawn over here, 125 degree. Now from that is at the point angle A, we need to draw this 50 degree. How to draw this one? Angle equal angle. Just get the suitable arc over here. Get the arc, any arc, and just get the same arc over here with the same length, and the angle inside these two sides, that is the length of the arc, it will be coming here. This is 50 degree. Okay, so angle A is 50 degree is formed. This is 50 degree. Now angle B equal to 105 degree. Once again with the suitable length of arc you can get it 105 degree. And get it little bit more, and this is the length of this, and this is the intersecting line. Draw this line, you will get 105 degree. This is 105 degree. Take BN another line, and from BN this is cut BC 4 semi. This is BC is given 4 semi. This is BC is given 4 semi. Just get this line at a point, very intersecting point. This is BC. Now at point C you have to draw 125 degree. Take this also 125, the suitable arc once again, and at the point of C you need to draw 125 degree. This is 125 degree. So this is your angle, and which is actually intersect with this angle A at point D, and your ABCD, your required quadrilateral already drawn. See, this is your required quadrilateral. So I hope you can draw the rest construction what is actually given in 17A. I have shown you different type of construction within this exercise. Try to just solve within yourself the rest one. Thank you very much.